Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So I'm going to share a box with you today, and this is a box from beadingschool.com, and it is called Donna's Dream Autumn Sunset. It is one of Beading School's talented academy students, and during a hospital stay she had some creative visits with vivid colors and just beautiful sunsets and such. So that was the inspiration for this box called Autumn Sunset. So after making this unboxing video, I learned that Donna Peterson passed away, and I would love to honor her by showing this unboxing. So the unboxing is a little more, it's going to be upbeat because I didn't know of her passing at the time, but I think that's good because, you know, she put so much joy into creating this box that I want to present it to you with joy. Okay, so we've got some beautiful seed beads, and you know I love Miyuki. The seed beads are so gorgeous. So this is Duracoat galvanized eggplant in an 11-0 and a 15-0, and I love that color. Okay, let's add on the twisted bugle bead and look at the colors together. Isn't that lovely? I can't wait to see her designs. Okay, we've got a couple of delicas, really pretty. And I'm thinking that the numbers on these are for the tutorials. So that's a pretty kind of mauve or brownish, and look at the pretty blue. Okay, then we've got a couple of silver seed beads, 11-0 and 15-0. Beautiful. Okay, look at these sparkly crystals. So with 8mm Preciosa Pure Chiton, that's the one that doesn't have a foil backing. I love these. I use these all the time. And look at that. 3mm Preciosa Bicone in Jonquil as well. Jonquil AB2X. Gorgeous. We have these beautiful 4mm glass beads, and this is in lilac. And look at the pure chitons in amethyst. So pretty. Look at this beautiful bicone. It looks like matte tanzanite to me. It's just beautiful. Hey, what about these beauties? We've got a 6mm round glass bead in sunlight yellow. That's a beautiful yellow. It's like a creamy yellow. And then we've got a 4mm. It looks like it's in the same color. And look how pretty that looks with the crystals and the bicones. And here we'll just add these little cabochons. These look like 8mm cabochons. Those pretty. Okay, next up we have these beautiful Preciosa bicone beads. 4mm, they're in Indian pink AB2X, and look at that gorgeous color. And then next we have a ginkgo bead in topaz pink luster opaque white, a mouthful, but so pretty, just gorgeous. Okay, this is gorgeous. This is an 18mm Star Bloom handmade glass cabochon, royal blue with gold wash. That's so pretty. It's gorgeous. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. 5x10mm Navette glass cabochon burgundy shine with gold colored claw. These are so pretty. Pretty. Look at that color. And look at there's your gift here. Look at these beautiful clasps and ear wires. So we've got this really pretty ear wire here. That's beautiful. Love it. And look at this clasp. Look at this delicate. It looks vintage, doesn't it? Then beautiful silver clasp. Let me see if I can get it right side up. There we go. Got a little lobster claw. And look at this guy. Wow. That is stunning. There's a box clasp. And look at that. The design on that is just gorgeous. So here are your clasps. So here you go. Here's Donna's Dream Autumn Sunset box, and just full of such beautiful crystals and gorgeous colors and just lovely components. So I think you're really going to love this one. So I want to thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.